So today we're in South Overland Park. We are doing piers on a house that we looked at for a realtor. We're doing two phases. We're doing 12 piers on the main structure of the house, and we're doing 7 piers on the garage area. The house itself kind of dropped on both sides. What they wanted to do is the buyer that's bought the house is completely remodeling the house. So she wanted to make sure that whatever piers that we put in was going to be key to what she was remodeling, which was the bathroom and the kitchen area mainly. So we have 12 piers around the split level basement area. The house is down about 3.5 inches. The good thing about this one is with her completely gutting the house and remodeling is I can lift the house as much as I want without doing any damage because they are completely gutting it to remodel. So for me, it's really good for us because I can recover as much as I want to. We've dug 12 piers. We got them all in right now. We're getting set up to do the recovery process. And then we have the garage side that we're gonna lift tomorrow and get that recovery. With this, we also did some sheetrock tear out downstairs, and we found some huge cracks on the front wall that showed indications of the front wall coming in. The front wall came in about 1.5 inches, which is not bad enough that we have to do what we call the full repair plan. We don't have to excavate and do waterproofing, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some braces on the front wall to stabilize it and support it where it is so it don't move any further, and we're gonna do the injections on the cracks so that way when they go to finish it, they have no worries of any water coming in.
28, 29.
Hard work, work,
Hard work, work, work.
hard work, work,
Hard work, work.
hard